How can you cancel a refund request on your Cash App? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to, of course, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version. And of course, make sure you have a good internet connection so that you don't have any bugs while doing this operation. Now from there, go ahead and open the Cash App and then tap right here in the bottom right corner on this icon. And then from here, it will take you to this screen. All you need to do is to tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll get this menu from the bottom of the screen. Tap on Cash App Support. From there, we need to go ahead and tap on Chat in the bottom of these options right here. So basically, you need to go and open this chat right here. From here, you need to type cancel refund request and send it. And after a couple of hours, the request will be cancelled. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.